In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Flink promo code. You can simply get the Flink discount code in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. If you're using an iPhone, open up your Safari. On the search bar, type in Flink promo code 2023. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you get 15% off any purchase on Flink. Select any coupon code of your own choice. As you can see, our code is generated and copied to clipboard successfully. Go to the Flink website and make sure you paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. The simple trick here is to double check down and see if your discount code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get your Flink promo code every month. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.